Hello guys, welcome back to Traditional versus Modern Home. Hope you are all good. Today video's about how do I make my front yard look nice. 8 ways to enhance curb appeal. Front yards are often neglected, even though they're more on show than our backyards. With care and consideration, the smallest space can become green and inviting, as well as accommodate off-street parking. A well-planned front yard can also help reduce street noise and pollution, give privacy, shade, support wildlife and have a positive effect on where we live. 1. Creat Shapes with Topiary clipped evergreens can be used for a smart, contemporary look or as a contrast to a more naturalistic and romantic style of planting in a front yard. 2. Add interest above with hanging baskets. Planting your own hanging baskets is one of the most enjoyable gardening tasks, as you get so much reward for such little effort, and it is a wonderful way to make a front yard look nice. When planting containers and hanging baskets, many gardeners follow the rule of thriller, filler, spiller, says Melanie Griffiths, editor, Period Living. 3. Create a sensory space filled with enticing sounds, scents and textures. Sensory gardens are intimate outdoor spaces designed to delight our ears, noses and fingertips as well as our eyes. Sometimes stimulating, sometimes calming, these spaces offer tangible, visceral experiences that can evoke emotions and aid relaxation, and they are not just for backyards either. 4. Lay a gravel path. Gravel garden ideas can create depth and bring structure to your garden, and is also a good way to prevent burglary. Security is always a top priority for any homeowner, advises John Evans, managing director at Stormclad. Unsurprisingly, gravel is not only pretty and low maintenance, the often loud crunching noise it makes underfoot can be a good burglar deterrent. We recommend that you invest in a stone size that won't easily stick in the soles of shoes and get walked into the house. 5. Add height with trees. A small front yard should not be a deterrent to creating a beautiful or visual space. Every backyard and front yard looks better with a tree, and you don't need loads of space to fit one in. There are many naturally striking trees for small gardens that will add a huge range of benefits to any space, from flowers and berries to spectacular color. 6. Set up a beautiful boundary. Choose materials and plants that will turn garden fence ideas and boundaries into beautiful features while providing garden shade, garden screening and habitats for wildlife. 7. Line a path with flower beds or containers. Use container gardening ideas to add beautiful highlights to all areas of your front yard. Path and front yard flower beds adding rich textures, bright colors and fresh display ideas to your plot. 8. Set a bench by the door. A charming bench on the front porch or next to the front door is the perfect place to sit and reflect, especially if it's in a spot that catches the sun or gives you a view of the sunset. It's